I've met so many people who leave jobs for a better salary, and I think as the head of a department right now in my current job, I always ask people when they leave the business, where are you going? And they're always talking about greener pastures, greener pastures. There's no such thing as a greener pasture.
Be a legacy builder.
If an opportunity that's tailor-made for you has not come yet, don't just go for whatever. Don't settle for mediocre. Because you'll find yourself 5 years down the line, you're doing this work that you do, but you don't like it, you don't love it. In fact, you hate it. And I like going back to the point that you made when you said, success is, being happy first before money. The one big trend I've seen is that most people go for businesses simply because they've seen someone else succeed in it. And they under the impression that it's quick to achieve success in that specific business or industry. It goes to the point where even school, like studies, academics, people don't study what they actually passionate about or love. They don't select the best opportunities. They go for what they think works. If you ask an ordinary person right now and be like, why did you select or choose the course that you're doing? Because it pays more money. I'm doing law because I make more money. I'm starting to be a doctor because I make more money. But it's not really about that. Because at the end of the day, you will be making the money, but are you in love with what you do? Do you love what you do? I have this motto I go by where I say, love what you do and what you do will be loved by the people.
Yes.
It's easier that way because now we have people that are stressed and depressed because of their jobs. You ask someone, how's your day going? The only thing they complain about is their jobs, right? Because they don't like it. They don't have passion for it. I love my job. I've been doing the same thing for the past 9 years.
Yes.
Even if I got to a point where I don't need to work anymore, which I actually don't, but I still do it. Why? Because I got passion for it. I love it. And it goes back to selecting the best opportunities. You need to be happy first.
Yes.
And for me, waking up every day, looking forward to the day, looking forward to meetings, looking forward to work.
Yes.
For me, that's success.
Yes.
It shows that I am successful because I love my life, man. I like what I do.
Yes, and I like that. Nothing beats passion, and you need to be passionate about what you do.
Yeah.
And I like the fact that you mentioned the salary. People will leave job so that they can get 3,000 rand more. But the point is, you are stressed.
Yeah.
You are stressed, and you can't go on like that. You're miserable. If you always ask me, what keeps you propelling, or what do you want to achieve, right? I'll always say to you, I do not want to look back, after when I'm 60, 65,
Sure.
and regret the choices or the actions that I've taken in my life. So, for example, now, yes, if I've decided that I'm not going to work on Sundays, and I've decided that my phone will be off on Sundays. Why? Because I spend that time with my family. And to me, that's more enjoyable. And I like yes, I might lose a couple of, rents here and there, but that is never going to be able to replace the time I spend with my kids,
Yeah.
the time I spend with my wife, because when my kids grow up, the point is, because I spend more time with them, I will know them better. You do not want to get to a level where it's like a monster. Nobody knows you. Your kids, your family don't even know you because it's all about the money.
You're too busy chasing money.
Yes, money is important. It's important, but the important thing of life is happiness. And how do you prepare for that? Patience help you to be prepared for happiness, right? Because happiness is basically when you focus on an objective that is beyond you rather than yourself, right? And people normally replace that money as happiness, and it's not.
Yeah.
So to me, that's how I look at things.
Be a legacy builder, and don't forget to subscribe.
Cheers.